love my hair so
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I haven't done a proper intro in so long and I am so sorry. I always abruptly just start my videos and it's definitely honestly not my plan to be coming in here and just like taking you guys straight into my videos without like a proper greeting or anything. But how are you guys? How have you guys been? I hope you all are okay. So I'm going to Portugal and I'm going to Faro in Portugal, Albufeira. I hope I pronounced that right. So tomorrow I'm going to go and get my hair